Why would you do that to a perfectly good naan?
So the kids are with their grandparents, so I thought I'd cook for Stacey. There's so many options to choose from with HelloFresh.
Spanish, Greek, Mexican, veggie options. You choose your meals and what you'd like to come, and then on the day that it gets delivered, it's there in the box. He is going to cook, and I am going to be waited on, apparently.
Right, are you ready for this? You're my sous chef. Tonight I'm going to be cooking Stacey lamb koftas with garlic naan.
Oh my God, this is my favourite.
Sweet potato for my sweet Stacey. Garlic, because same as your breath. I can't think of one for tomatoes.
Because it's the same colour as your skin.
I'm going to cut these sweet potatoes.
I'm going to do garlic, chilli, parsley and mint then. Before I started HelloFresh, I would go shopping once a week. I used to buy things and then end up not using them. Whereas with HelloFresh, it gives you the exact amount. Then you don't have to throw anything away. Things don't go off. It has created less waste for us.
This so you can make the best sausages. I've seen people do this.
Who have you seen?
I'm very English when it comes to my cuisine.
He likes very neutral, calm flavours. I love really spicy, crazy flavours. The best thing about HelloFresh is they've got really interesting, nice herbs and spices, and Joe's not afraid to use them. There is now an abundance of flavour in the house.
Oil into a large pan on a high heat. Once hot, add the koftas to the pan.
Let's let it crackle a little bit.
I can hear it crackling, listen.
You are so impatient.
Get out of it, you.
Oh, you don't ever listen to me.
That's what we're looking for.
I want to know what have we got for dessert.
I am your dessert.
It's totally taken us out of the food ruts that we would get in. 3 meals rotated for however long. Whereas HelloFresh really gives us the opportunity to explore different cuisines, to make something different every night without having to think about it. When the wedgies have 4 to 5 minutes left, put the naan in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes.
I've decided we're not going to use a plate. I'm going to go a little shopping.
Smorgasbord. Right, so lettuce.
Whoa. Calm down, you're a sous chef. I tell the instructions. Let's look at the picture first.
It smells so good.
Voila!
So nice. The kofta was delicious.
You can taste the spices and the herbs.
I would 100% have that meal again.
Well done, Joe.
Wasn't joint ever.
Click the button now for a variety of delicious recipes.
Dinner is solved.